Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April 2025, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 4.1%. This results in an average return of 1.03% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decline is expected within this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of nearly 30% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from approximately -39% to -26%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 22%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from around 10% to 81% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $173.14 and $285.09. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock price up 0.96% on Tuesday. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price gained 0.96% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. Rising from $155.84 to $157.33. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.41% with a day low at $156.05 and a day high of $158.25. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.71% for this period. The volume fell on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 12 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.84 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes over the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $226.40, while the lowest price was $125.78. Currently, the price is 30.51%, or $69.07, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is set to report its first quarter earnings, with expectations that its performance will be bolstered by advancements in artificial intelligence-driven technologies. However, rising operational costs may pose a challenge to bottom-line growth. Analysts have noted that TSMC's stock price has corrected by 14% recently, creating a potential buying opportunity as the company maintains strong long-term growth prospects, particularly fueled by demand from artificial intelligence and data centers. Notably, Advanced Micro Devices has announced it will manufacture its central processing units at TSMC's facility in Arizona. This partnership not only strengthens TSMC's position in United States manufacturing, but also signifies growing trust and collaboration among leading technology firms. In a broader context, Taiwan's government is preparing to simulate the impact of potential United States tariffs on the semiconductor sector, which reflects escalating geopolitical tensions that could affect market dynamics. Despite the challenging environment, TSMC's finite price-to-earnings ratio relative to its 5-year average suggests room for significant upside potential. Overall, while there may be short-term pressures affecting TSMC's stock price, generally, the downfall could be significant. Its solid fundamentals and strategic positioning indicate a resilient long-term outlook, investors might find value in TSMC amidst volatile market conditions, aligning with bullish sentiments for sustained growth driven by the technology sector. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM an underperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $169.55. Conversely, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $152.52. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a decline below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 11.29%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the downside, the stock identifies support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $146.80 and $146.17. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock could decline to the subsequent support. In this instance, Taiwan Semiconductor has support just beneath today's level at $146.80. Should this level break, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $146.17 and $141.37. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.20 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.41%. In the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 6.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could signal a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $158.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $146.80. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open lower by 12 cents and start trading at $157.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.